Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can delete your YouTube channel in 2020. This is going to be a real simple tutorial. If it does help you out, please do leave a like and comment down below. And if you can hear raining in the background, it's because there's a huge storm going on right now. So let's jump into the video. So you need to obviously be logged into your YouTube channel and be on youtube.com. And once you're logged in, you can click on your channel icon and then go to your YouTube studio, which will bring up obviously the back end of your YouTube studio. So once you're here, again, just make sure you're on the right channel. I'm on KnowledgeBase step-by-step tutorials, which is this channel here. Then all you need to do is go to settings here, which should be at the bottom. Then if you go into channel and then advanced, then if you scroll down again, you should be able to delete or hide your channel. So click on this and it's going to open up like a Google Plus window, and you're going to need to log into your account again. So click next. Now again, make sure you're on the right YouTube channel. And here you can either hide your content or permanently delete your account. To permanently delete your account, you have to check this box and then click delete my content. Then it's going to ask you if you're sure. Click yes, I'm sure. And then your content and your channel will be permanently deleted.